Hey guys, it's done here. Gonna try this today. This is a piece that Melody gave me the other day. We met up for a ride at GMR Mount Baldy, and it's supposed to fix my broken taillight. So my taillight broke. I had a cutout crash on my Master a few weeks ago or something like that, and it was not too bad. It was over 55 miles an hour, and I just had a problem with my beeps. It never beeped, and so that sucked, because I'm really good at riding my beeps, but it doesn't help any when the beeps don't actually happen. So I did have my tether on, and that crash actually has sold me on my tether. Is my tether here? Here's my tether. I now use a much smaller tether than the other one that I made a video about. So this tether has been working great. I never had a high-speed crash before, so I never tested my tether system in a high speed. So that was my first time, and that showed me that I can trust it. So that's great. So I don't know. I'm lazy, and I don't want to like do this whole thing and then decide that it was awesome and it's great and I need to share it and then have to go and make a video about it. So I'm doing this instead. It's like, we will discover together if this thing is great. And because the taillights are very common to break on the Master, the headlight and the taillight. My headlight is broke as well, but it functionally works. All right, let me show you what's going on with my taillight.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing? Are you okay?
Yeah, right there is fine. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Alright, so let me show you what's going on. Basically, all the plastic is gone from here, and I just attached this via zip ties. This is, whoops! Oh my goodness. Let's see. This is the last remaining bit of my plastic for my taillight. So, and then my handle is attached to the frame. All right, let's see. Sorry, I'm using this like really cheapo selfie stick thing, and I can tighten it. There, I just tightened it. All right. So yeah, things are gonna fall over and everything. Knife. My knife. All right, let's get rid of the zip ties. Things are just flying all over the place. If this thing works, it's going to be so cool because it's a 3D printed thing. So you can very easily fix. All right, so the reason why this bit of plastic is still there is because it is siliconed onto the wires. So there we go. It was silicone onto this wire bit. So this is a silicone housing for the LED, and the LED is actually inside of this white piece. So I think it just slides into here. Oh my goodness. Oh, and then you can secure it. And then, yes! Oh my gosh, this is going to totally work. All right, here, get my phone. Okay, so yeah, it's just going to be like that. There's lighting. Okay, there, light. There's a channel that goes all the way around, that your white LED housing is going to sit into that channel, and then you have your 2 holes here to screw into here. Gonna slip this right into this channel, and you can secure it. It'll hold kinda, but you can also secure it with some double-sided tape and stuff. So yes, that'll totally work. Okay, good. I'm glad I'm making this video now, because I'm not gonna have to do this again. Now, should I just end the video? This shows you guys enough, right? Or hang out with me a little more. I don't know. It feels like a lazy day today. All right, so I'm gonna need to take out these screws. Oh my gosh, I'm missing that screw. Aw. All right. I shall have to find another. Not a big deal. Yes, so there. This is totally gonna work. Let me turn them on. Let's see. I just need to make sure he doesn't start spinning, because he's on a stand. Yeah, see the light? And it's gonna sit right there. And the whole thing is just easy, easy. All right, so I am going to have to get the link from Melody on where she got this file from, so that you guys can print this out for yourselves and have it and be able to fix your taillight too, because that's super easy and it's super awesome. So there you go. My taillight is going to be fixed very shortly. Fixed, modified. I just need to, okay, what do I need to do? I need to find another screw for my missing screw up top. I think I'm going to use some double-sided tape and line this whole channel with double-sided tape and help secure that. Should I secure with some extra zip ties? I don't know. I don't think it needs it. We can try without at first. And then put my foam piece back on, and then that's all. I do want to try, he did get some gouges. Do want to try and pretty that up a little bit, so I think I'm going to work on that today too. But anyways, I'm sorry, really lazy video of me doing absolutely nothing. But thanks for joining me, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. And this is what it looks like after put the foam seat thingy back on. It looks great, doesn't it? Ah, it's so perfect. Thank you again, Melody.